What's up, guys? I was gonna post a video today. I just made it, but I don't want to get copyrighted because you can hear too much of it. I was just trying to get the base of it, but I don't want to get copyrighted right now because excuse me, I haven't been vlogging that long with my puppy doggy, and yeah, so I'm bored. What do you want to do, Sasha? You want to play? Huh? Good toy. You want a treat? Yeah, I know you want a treat. Okay, yeah, it's a toy. Let's go get a treat. Where's the treats? Go get the treats. Where's the treats at? Oh, dang. I gotta really get copyrighted, guys, but because other people react to the song and my Tanner Fox, and yeah, I just don't want to risk it though. Yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm looking for stuff to eat, bro. That's mine, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna eat it. We're going shopping tonight, so if it's somebody else, face though. Okay, so we got Jimmy Dean's breakfast bowl. Meat burger has eggs, potatoes, sausage, cheddar cheese, and bacon. Okay, first I gotta open the box, and then it says repair. It says remove the from carton, which I did. Puncture film. And this video, if I have enough time, I'm going to show you guys me pocket knife collection. So it says put it in there for 2 minutes. So now I'm going to go show you all my pocket knife collection. I think I put this one pocket knife back in there. I don't know. Hold on. Yeah, I did. Oh no. Yeah, so I use my mom's china cabinet because like I have nowhere else to put my pocket knives at. So first of all, we have this one. That's a Winchester. We have one that says my name on it, and that one. So I get out my favorite ones. I have a lot of favorite pocket knives. Alright, so my first one I want to show y'all is this little guy. It's a bullet. It's a hollowed out bullet. Just has a little bitty blade like that. Nothing too special. I have my survival knife over, which is right there. Put my bullet back in there. There. Second favorite one has a bullet. This is a I have no clue what kind of bullet this is, but it has pretty much the same thing, just a bit bigger blade. As you can see. Okay, so stand that one back up. And this is my, no, I'm not gonna show that one. Here's my other one. It has like guns and grenades all over it and stuff. That's what it looks like. I don't want to close it. Sorry for the darkness right now. at 5 minutes. And then I backward. Added that. My favorite one. Or not my second, but yeah. This one has a little scorpion on it. Has the glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter right there. And then it's the blade. Alright. Then you have this one. It's shaped as a gun. And that's the blade. Pretty sick knife. I say so myself. Oh man. And this is my one. It's like an oil slick. And then has a pretty cool blade on it, if I say so myself. And then my very last one. It's not my last one, but I have another one. It's right here. It's a yellow jacket. Toolkit knife. This is a 50 caliber bullet. This is a humongous blade on it. Tackle. This blade's really the oil slick one, guys. If you hear it beeping, that's my microwave. It beeps whenever it's done. Like if you don't check it right away, it keeps beeping, keeps beeping, keeps beeping. Alright, so this is my yellow jacket knife. It has, looks like, it appears to be carbon fiber right there. I'm not sure. It sure looks like it. It has, it's two-bladed like this. Yeah, pretty cool. It folds up like that. It's the other side. Same side. Same design as the other side, bro. But of course, the survival knife is favorite too. So yeah. Oh yeah, and this one's my favorite too. You can't see it. That one. That's my most favorite one. Then I also got a baseball signed by Fredbird, the Cardinals. Like his actual signature, him himself. I got it at school. I won it from school. And I made a little stand for it. You can't see it, but just made out of popsicle sticks and some hot glue and made it into a triangle. And then just like interweaved, kinda. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright. See you guys. Bye. Peace.